How to make cool intro in CapCut. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open CapCut on your phone, then tap on New Project and select any of the video that you want to make as an intro video. For now, I'm taking this as I don't have any. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on Add. Now, here what you need to do is you want to go ahead and tap on Text that is in the bottom. Tap on Add Text. As you do that, a pop-up will appear where you'll be able to enter text on the text box. And here you can enter anything that you want to put in the intro. Now, you can choose the style of the text. You can also put some effect. The main thing here is animation. While selecting animation, you can choose any of these, but you have to make sure that it is attractive and beautiful. After you do that, you want to tap on tick mark and then you need to adjust where it should be. And then you want to adjust, after that you need to adjust the word where exactly should be in the video. And after you're done, you want to tap on export that is on the top right corner. And that is how you'll be able to make cool intro in CapCut. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.